Yo, this stock is nuts. What's going on, everybody? It's Treyding here, and welcome back to another live day trading recap video in which you all get to see real-time trades that I take from the day. Took us a while to get into our first trade today, but you don't have to worry about that. You're watching a YouTube video where we'll cut right to it. So hit like, hit subscribe, and let's go ahead and get into the live action. Just like trading, there's multiple different ways you can code things too. Ooh, this is a long candle. Yep, this is a long. We're long at 423.64. We are 34 minutes into market open, and we are in our first trade. SPY has just been dumping off. SPY gapped down, so of course we were looking for longs, but it just kept dumping. This is the first bar all morning that the RSI has closed over 40. So 34 minutes in, finally in a trade. It might just lose us money immediately. We'll see. I mean, we're going to get pretty much any downtick here. We're getting stopped out. So in 30 seconds, if we're still here, the RSI is back below 40. We're just going to be getting stopped out here. Finally some action. Something. 34 minutes take our first trade. And it looks like it's going to be an immediate stop loss, too, for a small loss. Looks like it's not going to be a lot of action. Yep, the RSI is at 37. There's 9 seconds left. Oh, the RSI did get over 40 for a second. Oh, it's very close. Hey, we are still in. This is now a sell candle, though. Wherever this bar closes, we're out of the trade. Because this is now, obviously now, over this green line. Meeting sell condition. I'm going to sell half here. Because SPY is very weak, and this is a nice bounce. It's one of the nicer bounces it's had all morning. Every bounce has been getting sold into, so I'm happy to sell half. It is still pushing, though. Nice. Nice. We're still in 50 shares, obviously. I'm actually, you know what? I'm selling another half. This is a really big push into a very weak day. Now we're only in 25 shares. But SPY is so weak today. And look, we actually caught pretty much the only long that would have won today. I'm going to guess maybe you could have bought here, too, but... Nice. Good job, system. Proud of you. Wow, we were so close to getting stopped out, too. That bar was like, the RSI was like 2 seconds and just barely over 40 away from stopping us out for a small loss. And instead we made 37 bucks. Nice. Good move on SPY. Ooh, this is also immediately a short candle. This is immediately a short candle because now we are below the SMA and we're obviously breaking up above levels. We're breaking up above the yellow line, so. Yep, we are short here. We are short at 424.39. Obviously, now SPY is below the SMA and ripping up above levels. Now we just got long, sold our long, and flip immediately into short, right? On the next bar, we flip immediately into short. Buy the weakness, sell the strength, and then short the strength. Let's see, our cover condition is all the way at lows still. Blue line is cover condition, so... We got a ways to go now, but obviously it will continue updating as new bars print. We're up over 50 bucks on the day, but in an open position. Don't flex unrealized gains. At least we are finally getting some trades in. Markets have been open for 37 minutes now. We did get 2 back-to-back trades. Took a while, though. It took a while with the SPY just open, down gap, and just continue down. Woo! I'm very happy to be shorting where I'm shorting. Listen, even if this does squeeze me, sometimes you're going to short moves, you're going to get squeezed. But, what do I always say? What's my new motto? Put yourself in the right situation to make money. If you're consistently putting yourself in the right situation, aka when SPY is super weak and it gets a big pop like this, shorting the big pop like this, that's putting yourself in the right situation to make money. Trading isn't, everybody thinks there's some magic to trading in a way you can always time the bottom and time the tops. There's not, right? Trading is statistics and data, and put yourself in the right situation. Put yourselves in the right situation to have the statistics work to your advantage over time, right? That's trading. I know it's boring and it's not as fun as if you use this indicator, you'll always get the bottom, but that is what real trading is. Nice move, by the way. But our cover condition is still way down here. We still got a ways to go before we're looking to cover. And I don't want to take profits too early. Let the system play out. Sky H has more volume than when I went up to $47. There was less algorithms interested, probably. Less sellers, right? More volume doesn't always equal flying stock. If there's a lot of volume and it's not moving as much as it did in the past, it means there's more sellers stood there now, right? Oh, we did get reversed into. Speaking of sellers, but speaking of reversals. Okay. Cool. In, I believe that's 2 bars. Our cover condition finally starts to actually come up here. So we'll see. We'll see where we are in 2 bars. Break even right now. Bit of indecision here at highs. Is this a bull flag for SPY though? Is this a bull flag? A big move consolidation? We did get stuck in one of these yesterday. We did short the top of a bull flag yesterday that ended up breaking out on us. Is that going to happen for us again today? We'll see. Back to break even. Yep, SPY wants to hold its gains now. It's not as weak as it was before. SPY, this is the first time all day SPY has made a move and held any semblance held its gains, right? It made a move here, big sell. Move here, big sell. Move here, holding its gains a little bit. We'll see though, we'll see. Cover condition is, I think, this low right now. Yep, cover condition is currently this bar. So next bar, our cover condition jumps all the way up here. Is it going to do that thing where it just holds just until it almost touches my cover and then rips? Oh, whoop, 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 whoop. Nice move. Okay. If this holds down here now for the next 20 seconds, the next bar is immediately going to be a cover bar. Is a very nice move down. So much for that bull flag breakout. Looks like it's consolidating and just rolling back over. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. What a move. This is almost a cover candle in and of itself. It's actually not really. It's not really that close to below this line, but what a move. I'm actually covering half here. This is too big of a move to not take something into for me personally. So I did cover half there. We're still in 50 shares. We're up over $100 on the day. Look at that, chat. We were patient. SPY gapped down. So we were looking for longs, but it just kept going down. Never got to our buy condition. We were patient. It took us 34 minutes to get into our first trade. We got into it long, made money here, immediately flipped short, making money here. Bang, bang, just like that. You know what? I'm covering. There's 25 seconds left in this bar, but I'm up over $100. I'm covering. Nice. Look at that. Once again, look at how pretty this chart looks too. Look at how pretty this looks. Look at this buy, this sell, this short, this cover. Look at like how well we played this volatility here. It looks so nice. Alrighty, so that wraps up the live trades from the first hour of the day. Only 2 trades. It took us 34 minutes to get into that first trade. And let's just go ahead and get the suspense over. I'll just drag it over. We are still up at $108. We did not take any more trades today. As you can see from the chart, those are the only 2 trades we took. But once again, just revel in the beauty of how this looks. This buy, this sell, this short, this cover. Just played at least this one little move so well today. And as you might be able to see next to me here, the algorithm's actually down $420 right now. Hey, 420. The algorithm's down $420 right now. So that goes to prove that, you know, yesterday I made roughly, what did I make yesterday? I made 140 plus yesterday, and the algorithm ended up making over 800. Today, I made 100, and the algorithm's down 400. That goes to prove that you don't always have to take every single trade. Each trade comes with its own positive expectancy, right? So the more you take over time, the more money you will make, but you don't have to take every trade every day in order to be profitable, right? So $108 today. Let's go ahead and bring over the trader view stats. As you can see, if you watched yesterday's video, we were at all-time highs for profit. We came out of this very small downtrend. I think it was a downtrend of roughly 200 bucks. We are up out of that, now up 1445 since we started trading this system on January 28th. And remember, from the 28th, we were only trading 50 shares. Then we went to 75, somewhere around in here. We've only been trading 100 shares, the size that we're currently trading for just the last month or so. Maybe, no, less than a month for the last month or so. Go to the 30-day. Our 30 days up over $1,000 as well. This is the 60-day, which isn't a true 60-day. It's not fully filled out with 60 trading days. But yeah, that is there. One thing I want to show you guys, look at this. Look at our month of April so far. Obviously red and green days. We have been red on every Wednesday in April. Is that a bad omen for tomorrow, or are we due a green day? We'll see what happens in tomorrow's video, but let's go ahead and show the detailed. As always, I don't want to hide anything from you guys. I want to be fully transparent. That's why I show you my real money equity curve every single day. That's why I show you these stats every single day. We will do a video at the end of the month in 4 days. 5 days? Is there 31 days? 4 days. Wait, I got it right. I still don't know which months have 30 and which months have 31. I think you count your knuckles. That's what they taught me in elementary school, I think. But anyway, in 4 days, we'll make kind of a monthly recap where we really dive into this stuff. But for now, we will leave it at that, and we will leave it on this once again. A $108 day, a back-to-back $100 days. Now, I consider $100 around my profit target. I don't have a real profit target. I think if you're trading a system that has proven expected value, you should just take the trades every time you can if you're around and available, obviously. So I don't have a true profit goal where I stop trading if I hit it. But if I get over 100, realistically, that's pulling a point out of SPY with my 100 shares that I trade of it. I consider that a pretty darn good day. So back-to-back profit target days for me makes me really happy. Obviously, being up all-time high profits, no more drawdown, makes me happy. 1445 since we started trading this system, and I would still consider this system young. Still going to continue improving it. Still looking to build more systems as well. We are looking at some low float stuff, so don't think that low float trading is gone forever on this channel. Right now, we've only got one proven coded system, but I'm looking at more. We actually have one in the works that seems to be working pretty well on low floats. I'll introduce it to you guys once we get it fully working, though. Still working on. It's hard when you start looking at low floats in general, because with SPY, you just backtest SPY, see how it does. With low floats, you don't just get to trade the same stocks every day. So backtesting becomes a much more arduous task. You have to build the right kind of scanners that are giving you the right kind of stocks that then you can trade. There's a lot more that comes into low floats, but we're working on it. Also continuing to work on automation. A lot of fun stuff coming up the pipeline on this channel. So hopefully you're excited. Hit like if you are. Hit the red subscribe button if you want to follow along for free. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out of this video. I will catch you all in the next one.